morning, it's Vanessa with Farm Girl Gardens and Market, and today I am charging our perm berms. So permaculture berms are a practice in permaculture where you are creating a mound of soil to create a large berm, either for the purpose of diverting watershed or harvesting watershed, or for the purpose of creating a grow space with hugelkulture or in-ground composting methods. So this space back here, I think I've explained in the past, is a huge pile of about 80 cubic yards that has been dumped over here in the past year of horse manure and mulch and just basically any green waste that has come out of our homestead or even our local neighborhoods, pumpkins from seasons past, you name it, it's in here. We actually do have some volunteers behind us. Those orange dots in the background are our volunteer pumpkins that I shared with you last week. And to charge our berms, all that I do is I come out here in the mornings about twice a week and I just really heavily, intensely water the pile. I am not careful with overhead watering at all because this is nature and this is wild. And even though in the wild nature you probably wouldn't get rain and bright overhead sun, I'm only doing this in early morning, so it's not really a concern. And that's kind of my opinion in general. Don't water in the high heat of day where water dropping on those leaves will basically steam them. But if you can water at the base of a plant or get out early in the morning or come out, later in the evening, those are the times to water. So I wanted to throw that in just for summer watering here. But this is it, y'all. I'm out here just charging them, just getting these mounds nice and hydrated. And so these wood chips really act like a sponge. This whole system acts like a wicking bed. It holds onto this water, releases it when it doesn't need it, holds onto it when it does, and really helps us be more water savvy and sustainable in Texas when we're trying to grow so much food in abundance with a budget in mind, because this is a nonprofit farm project geared towards helping equip and train community garden leaders all across the Metroplex. So I hope that y'all are well. Sassy and Daisy have joined us today, so hey y'all. I hope that y'all are well. We are definitely going to be sharing more updates on our farm project, especially as we head towards North Texas Giving Day. So stay tuned for those updates as we gear towards the end of the year in preparation for that wonderful fundraising event for nonprofits all throughout Texas. And I hope you'll join us in growing this project so that we can put food on the tables of those in need. Until next time, y'all.